Well, Rand Water will, in this hour, complete its over month-long extensive maintenance in Gauteng. Work began on the 22nd of June and is expected to conclude today. The maintenance was aimed at improving Gauteng's erratic water supply, which has been partly blamed on ailing infrastructure. The final phase will affect the normal pumping at the Mapleton and Palmiet stations. But let's speak now to Rand Water spokesperson Makenosi Maroo. Makenosi, good morning to you. Thank you so much for speaking to us. This is quite something, right? So over a month of maintenance, where are we now? Are you complete and were you able to hit all of your targets? I think that's a great place for us to start.
Good morning, Naledi, and good morning to your viewers. Yes, Naledi, we are at the final stage of the maintenance. We have completed major tasks. We have achieved milestones. So we have completed the project that we started on the 26th of July. We completed this morning on the 29th of July, but we are also starting the last project today on the 29th, which is the Palmiet system. So we started quite early at 5 o'clock. We are going to be finishing this last one, on the 30th at 9 p.m.
Yeah. Any sort of bottlenecks that you've had to experience over the past, I suppose, over a month? And if you can paint a picture of just how extensive this maintenance plan has been. And I imagine that for residents of the province, their concern is going to be whether or not they're going to be seeing an improvement in water supply.
Okay, all right. Look, we did quite a number of projects throughout this maintenance. It is extensive, as you indicated. And the reason why we waited for 1 month to complete almost everything, it's because during the year we had water supply challenges. So we could not undertake this extensive maintenance project. We waited up until it was a bit cold. During the cold season, we know that the demand is low. Hence, we used the opportunity to do maintenance. And we did quite a lot. We managed to connect some of the pipelines. We cleaned the sedimentation tanks where we purify our water. We also replaced defective valves at the Vereeniging station. We changed a transformer at Louis Trichardt. So we did a number of things with regards to this maintenance. We changed the meters, some of the old meters into the new meters. We're talking about bulk meters. So the last project that we are doing now, we are replacing a defective valve at the Sekerbosch purification plant near Vereeniging. So at the moment we are pumping at 85%, and later pumping will be reduced to 76%.
Okay, and of course we need to be kept updated throughout, particularly now that we know that we've reached the end and the conclusion of maintenance projects. Where there are concerns, residents, where do they go about perhaps work not being done well in their area?
Yes, we have received reports and concerns from residents that the system is recovering slowly, and we have taken that into consideration. We have managed to speak to the municipalities, especially the affected one, to make alternative water supply arrangements to the affected areas. So they have promised that they will dispatch water tankers, stationary and roaming tankers, to ensure that people continue having water. And I know that these tankers, where their whereabouts, they have been posted on their social media platforms. But also, Naledi, I wanted just to say, yes, people are being inconvenienced. It's a short-term inconvenience, but it's important for us to look at the bigger picture, the reason why we are undertaking this maintenance. We want to extend the lifespan of our assets so that in the long run, we are able to supply water. We ensure that there's water security, and also there is sustained water provision in our areas of supply.
All right, Makenosi, thank you so much for your time. We really do appreciate it. Makenosi Maroo speaking to us there from Rand Water, telling us, of course, that they are today seeing the conclusion of that month or over a month-long maintenance plan or project in Gauteng. All right.